Hello, Davina here. Welcome to Abstract and Flow. I am here with a split bass. And yes, you've guessed it, we are going to do a Dutch pour. I had some leftover colors. I'm still on my Dutch pour journey. So the drippings from another painting made this fantastic army green. And we got some regular old black over on this side. Nothing, special, just some black paint. But I got some Liquitex Brilliant Yellow Green, and I used some Arteza's Yellow Green, but the Arteza's green was a lot darker than the Liquitex. So I said, well, I got some leftover paints. Let's keep practicing this Dutch pour. So I am going to lay down some of the Liquitex Yellow Green, Brilliant Yellow Green. And I'm not really, sure how these colors are going to mix. But I like green, and you can't go wrong with green. I don't think you can go wrong with green. Now, I did a ring pour, and I layered the green and some white and some black, and that's what's in this cup right here. And we have some Windsor Newton titanium white, and you know what? I'm just going to do a really thin line of this black to mix, give it some little contrast when I blow. And let's do another line of that yellow green. Can't remember. Yeah, yellow green. Remember anything. Okay. All right. Have anything else left over? Let's see. Nope. I'm just throwing some paint in there, and we're going to see how it goes. And hoping that I'm not putting, OMG, too much paint on here. Okay, that's it. All right, where's my blow dryer? Alrighty. I'm going to put it on low and cool. Okay. Look at that. Oh, I can clap for myself because I'm the only one here. Now, I wasn't really sure how that green base was going to do, but wow. I really like this. Let's give it a whirl so you all can see all sides. And I'm going to torch it. Like I said, can't go wrong with green. Oh yes, I am in love. What do you think? Do you like the split base with the greens? I sure do. Thanks for tuning in with me. Did you see me as I was cascading? I finally got the little ribbon lacing around, hitting the solid color, which I was having a little bit trouble doing. But yeah, I am loving this. Okay, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. You all stay safe out there. Be blessed. See you next pour. Bye. Let's go in for a beautiful close-up. Look at that green just pop. against that black. It is beautiful. Now I didn't get a lot of sales, but I didn't want a lot of sales. I really wanted it to be as solid, but those little sales right in that area and here, that's fine. But I didn't get them on the edges and have my edges sink and ate up. And that's because I did not use any of the Artist Loft Flow White. This is the Windsor Newton Titanium White. Because I don't think that the Artist Loft Flow White has been corrected. And that may have been what happened. No, never mind. Yeah, but